Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel filters. To begin, select any cell within your data range. Then, navigate to the Data tab on the ribbon and click the Filter button. You'll see small drop-down arrows appear in your header row. Click an arrow to open the Filter menu, where you can select or deselect specific values to display only the data you need. This helps organize large datasets. Beyond basic selections, Excel offers powerful advanced filters. For numerical data, use number filters to find values greater than 1,000, less than 25%, or within a specific range. Text filters allow you to show rows containing a certain word, starting with a letter or ending with a phrase. Date filters help you analyze data by specific dates, weeks, months, or even custom periods, making your analysis much more precise. You can create custom filters using Custom Auto Filter for more complex conditions, combining and/or logic. For example, you might filter for items greater than $500 and less than $1,500. To remove a filter from a single column, click its drop-down arrow and select Clear Filter. To clear all filters from your sheet, go to the Data tab and click Clear. Remember to reapply filters if your data changes. For maximum efficiency, use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl plus Shift plus L to quickly toggle filters on and off. You can also filter by color if your data is formatted with different cell or font colors, which is great for visual organization. This allows you to quickly isolate highlighted information. Check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.